Hey, let me show you how easily you can share your internet from a Samsung A36 5G into your PC. It works for the Wi-Fi network, but also for mobile data. So first of all, you will have to connect cable just right here. Take a look. There's the USB cable into your PC and also into your phone, just like this. Now just wait for this notification. Currently it is charging, but you have to start by opening your settings. Now you will have to go into connections and just go into mobile hotspot and tethering, and then click on this switcher to enable USB tethering. So right now you just have to be connected also into the internet on your phone, mobile data or Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm actually sharing Wi-Fi network. And take a look now when you go into our PC, in the right bottom corner on the taskbar, I can find this connection. So if I'm gonna click with the right mouse button, I can open network and internet settings, and I will get two connections. So here I'm connected with cable Ethernet, but also with the Wi-Fi. If I'm gonna turn off this Wi-Fi, I will be still connected with the internet by the Ethernet cable. So this is the connection with our Samsung phone.